Okay. Now let's read the conversation about where do you work. Nah, Anin, do you want to be Jason or do you want to be Andrea?
I want to be uh Andrea.
Andrea, okay. I will be Jason, ya. Where do
Yeah,
you work, Andrea?
I work at Thomas Cook Travel.
Oh, really? What do you do there?
I'm a guide. I take people on tours to countries in South America, like Peru.
How interesting.
Yes, it's a great job. I love it. And what do you do?
Hmm, I'm a student and I have a part-time job too.
Oh, where do you work?
In a fast food restaurant.
Which restaurant?
Hamburger Heaven. Okay, now I will ask some question about this conversation ya, Anin.
Yeah.
Okay, so apa ya? What does Jason do? What does Jason?
Uh, Jason, mana ya jawabannya? Jason. Uh, how do apa tadi?
What does Jason do? Jason tuh apa namanya kegiatannya apa sih gitu? What does Jason
Oh,
do?
student.
Okay, he is.
He is student.
Okay, what about Andrea? What does
Um,
Andrea do?
she is guide.
Okay, she is a guide. And then, does Jason have any part-time job?
Yes.
Okay, what is his part-time job?
Uh, oh, pekerjaan.
Yeah, what does Jason part-time job?
In a fast food restaurant.
Oh, okay. So Jason's part-time job is he works in a fast food restaurant, yeah. Okay. And what about Andrea? What about Andrea? I mean, you told me that Andrea is a guide, kan? So
Mm-mm.
where does Andrea work? What kind
Uh,
of, what is the name of the travel agency that Andrea work?
she is um
She works.
she work um countries in South America.
Are you sure? I asked you
Oh,
about what is the name of the travel agency that Andrea work. What is the name of the travel agency that Andrea works?
Peru.
No, Peru is the name of the country. The
South
name of
America.
South America is the continent. Ayo.
Oh, iya, gak lihat yang itu.
So
That
where does Andrea work?
in Thomas Cook Travel.
Okay, it's very good. Okay, so Andrea is a guide. So the jobs or the job desk of a guide is they take people to tours from countries to countries. But Andrea take people to the South America, especially in Peru, ya.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's very good, Anin. Grammar focus. Now, udah belum sih kita yang ini? Belum ya? Or udah? Belum ya? Oke. Grammar focus, the simple present. Nah, today I ask you. I will tell you. I will explain about WH question. So 5W 1H. Question word itu adalah kata tanya ya. For example, like what, and then why, and then who, and then whose, and then where, and then when, and then how. Kan 5W 1H, tapi 6W ya ini. But it's okay. Nah, what, to ask about the thing, untuk menanyakan benda. Why is for asking the reason, alasan. Who is for asking person. Whose is for asking the possessive, untuk menanyakan barangnya itu punya siapa sih. Whose itu artinya punya siapa ya. Where is for asking about the place. When is for asking about the time. Nah, how itu is for asking about the opinion. Kalau how itu untuk menanyakan tentang opini ya. Oke. So, setelah WH question biasanya diikuti dengan kata kerja bantu. Nah, contohnya seperti ini nih. Yuk, kita baca. What do you do?
What do you do?
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
Where do you go to school?
Where do you go to school?
Where does Andrea work?
Where does Andrea work?
What does she do?
What does she do?
How does she like it?
How does she like it?
Oke, coba sekarang. Now, pay attention ya, Anin. If someone asks you, how do you do? Jawabnya apa?
How do you do?
Hey, Anin, how do you do?
Ini yang di layar.
Iya,
Oke. How do you do? Tunggu bentar. Oh, nih. I work in a restaurant.
No. I ask you, kalau ditanya, how do you do, Anin? Hey, Anin, how do you do? Jawabnya apa? Bedain, it's different ya. Jadi, it's different when someone asks you, how do you do? And what do you do? It's different. Misalkan, I ask you, hey Anin, how do you do? Jawabnya apa? I'm fine. Jadi kalau misalkan ditanya, how do you do? Itu sama seperti, hi Anin, how are you? Gitu. Oke?
Yes.
Nah, jadi kalau depannya how, itu beda dengan depannya what. Oke, kalau misalkan someone asks you, Anin, how do you do? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? Gitu. How do you do? Gitu. Tapi kalau ditanya, hey Anin, what do you do now? How do you do now? Sekarang lagi ngapain gitu ya? How do you do now? Terus abis itu jawabnya apa Anin? Oh, I am a student. Oh no, kalau what do you do itu yang ditanya adalah profesi kamu tuh apa? Apa sih keseharian yang kamu lakuin gitu? Misalkan gini, hey Anin, what do you do? Oh, I am a student. What do you do? I am a worker misalkan, atau I am a librarian, aku seorang pustakawan, atau enggak I am a teacher, itu kalau what do you do. It is clear ya.
Tempat bermain menjadikan pengawasan di sekolah di masyarakat. Coba sini PPK-nya lihat.
Is it clear ya, Anin?
Yes.
Okay, differentiate
Oh,
between what and how. Okay, now I will ask you. I will ask you by using this one, and then please answer me by using this one. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Hi, Anin. What do you do?
I'm a student and I have a part-time job.
Okay, where do you work?
I work at or in a restaurant.
I work. Okay, boleh. Where do you go to school?
I go to the University of Texas.
Okay. Where does Andrea work?
She works at Thomas Cook Travel.
Okay. What does she do?
She's a guide. She takes people on tours.
She takes people on tours.
She takes people on tours.
Good. How does he like it?
She loves it.
She love it. Okay. Now I would like you to translate. Yeah, I would like you to translate the sentence from Miss Anggi by using this verb. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Saya bekerja di restoran.
I work in restaurant.
Oke. Saya mandi setiap hari.
I take a shower in every day.
Oke. Saya sedang belajar bahasa Inggris.
I'm studying English.
Good. Saya mengajari Syahla.
I teach Shahla.
Oke. Saya mengerjakan PR setiap malam.
I do PR ya.
Yes.
I do
Homework. I do
homework
homework.
in every night.
Oke, every evening.
Yeah, every evening.
Oke. Saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari.
I go to school in every day.
I go to school every day. Oke. Saya tidak punya PR hari ini.
I don't have homework.
Tuh. Hari ini tuh.
Baca doang berarti.
Hari ini is tuh.
Today.
Yes, today. Okay, now kita isi ya.
Yes.
Okay. Complete this conversation by using Okay, I will be B. Number 1, I will be B.
Okay.
You will be I will be A deh. You will be B. Okay. What do you do?
I'm a full-time student. I study the violin. Gitu bacanya?
Yes.
Okay.
And what do you do? Where do you go to school? And where do you go to school?
I go to the New York School of Music.
Wow. And then?
Why?
Wow. How do you like your classes?
I like them a lot.
Okay, it's very good. Okay, number 2, I will be Alpha and you will be B ya.
Yeah.
Okay. What does Tanya do?
She's a teacher.
Mhm.
She is, yeah.
Dia mengajar.
She teach an art class at a school in Denver.
Wow. And what about Ryan? What about Ryan? Where does he work?
He worked for a big computer company in San Francisco.
What does he do exactly?
He's a website designer. Gimana?
Oh, he's a website designer.
He's a website designer.
Dia mendesain.
Dia mendesain.
Jadi gimana?
He's a website designer.
No. Yeah, he's a website designer. Terus he
apa ini?
Dia mendesain. Kalau bahasa Indonesia tuh gini. Dia mendesain. Good.
He designer fantastic website.
He design
fantastic website.
Okay, good. He's a website designer. He designs a fantastic website. Very good. Okay, now let's read. You will be Daniel, or do you want to be Daniel or Helen?
Helen.
Okay. You always choose the woman, ya, Anin?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. So, do you usually come to the gym in the morning?
Yeah, I do.
Really? What time do you go to work?
I work in the afternoon. I start work at 5.
Wow, that's late. So, when do you get home at night?
I usually get home at midnight.
Midnight? That is late. So, what do you do exactly? What is your professor? What is your profession?
I'm a TV announcer.
Announcer, iya. Ini pembawa acara TV.
Ini
Announcer.
bacanya gimana?
Iya, announcer.
Announcer.
Yes.
I do the weather report on KNTV. Don't you recognize me?
Recognize.
Recognize me?
Recognize. Oke, Miss Anggi tell you dulu ya. TV announcer itu pembawa acara TV. Oke. Weather report itu apa namanya? Acara ini loh. Apa ya? Bukan ramalan cuaca. Biasanya acara ini loh, perkiraan cuaca. Misalnya biasanya kan ada kan, ya the weather report itu dia tuh laporan cuaca. Hari ini di Jakarta panas, di Bandung sedang hujan dengan suhu sekitar berapa sampai berapa derajat Celcius. Itu weather report namanya. Kalau di Indonesia sering lah, Ani nonton ya. Nah, and then recognize ini artinya tahu. Misalnya, don't you recognize me? Emang kamu nggak mengenali aku?
Recognize.
Gitu. Don't you recognize me? Emang nggak kenal ya sama aku ya gitu. Oke. Okay, please read again from I'm a TV announcer, Anin.
I'm a TV announcer. Announcer.
Announcer,
I
announcer
do
sayang.
announcer.
Oh, announcer. I'm a TV announcer. I am a TV announcer.
I'm a TV announcer. I
Mm-mm.
do the weather report on KNTV. Don't you recognize me?
Oh, yeah, you're Helen Black. I love your show. By the way, I am Daniel. Okay. So, Anin,
Yeah,
what time does Helen go to work?
in the afternoon.
What time?
Oh, what time? At 5.
Okay, so what time does she always get home?
Bentar. At midnight.
Oke, midnight itu apa sih? What is the meaning of midnight?
Midnight itu
Apa yo midnight? Mid itu apa artinya?
gak tahu.
Middle. What is the meaning of middle?
Malam.
Tengah malam. Middle itu
Di tengah
tengah.
malam.
Ya, night malam.
Midnight berarti hampir mau ke jam 1 pagi gitu ya.
Tengah malam. I usually get home at midnight. Saya biasanya sampai rumah tengah malam. Ya, jam 12-an lah ya. And then, what does Helen do? I mean that what is the profession of Helen?
I'm a TV announcer.
Oh, she is.
She is TV announcer.
Oh, okay, she is a TV announcer. So, what kind of program? What kind of program does Helen do?
The weather report on KNTV.
Okay, KNTV. What is the full name of Helen? Do you know? Do you know what is the full name of Helen?
No.
Nama panjangnya Helen tuh siapa?
Helen Black.
Okay, Helen Black. Very good.
Yes.
So, when does Helen always go to the gym?
In the morning.
Yeah, very good. Okay, now pay attention. Time expression. Nah, time expression, it means that ini ya, we use some preposition here. Ada preposition yang at, ada preposition yang on, ada preposition yang in. Itu beda-beda penggunaannya nih. Okay. So, for example, like I get up at 7. Kalau untuk menunjukkan jam, itu pakai at. Nggak mungkin ya. Misalkan aku bangun tidur jam 7. I get up on 7. Itu tidak harus pakai at. Untuk jam itu pakainya at. Oke. Kalau misalkan seperti untuk pagi, misalkan the morning, the evening, afternoon, itu pakainya in. Tapi biasanya kita emang udah ini ya, udah otomatis lidahnya udah tahu ya. Terus kalau hari pakainya on. Oke, yuk kita baca bareng-bareng Anin. Let's read together. Oke. Bacanya gini. Dari sini ke sini ke sini. Oke, kita baca ya. Miss Anggi yang pertama. I get up at 7 in the morning on weekdays. Please
I
continue.
go. Oh, oke. Ulang lagi ya.
Ya.
I get up at
No,
7 in the morning.
After the first one is me. So you continue to the second.
Okay. I go to bed around 10 in the evening on weeknight.
Yes, good. Aku bobo jam 10 malam on the weeknight. Setiap apa namanya? Setiap minggu. So, next. I leave work early in the afternoon on weekend.
I
Next.
get home late at night on Friday.
Nah, kalau hari Jumat pulangnya malam. And then I stay up until midnight on Saturday.
I wake up, ini before or after?
You may choose one of them.
I wake up afternoon on Sundays.
Okay, I wake up afternoon on Sunday. Ini mah jujur ya. Jujur ya, kalau hari Minggu bangunnya siang. Okay, come on, Anin. We complete these sentences with the time expression. Nah, harus diisi dengan apa tadi? You have to fill out by using the preposition on, in, and at. Oke, pilih salah satu. Oke ya. Ready?
Ready.
Oke, number 1, go.
I get up 6 the morning.
I get up harus ada apa?
Oh, ada lagi. Oh, iya.
Ya, jadi ini gambarnya juga ngecoh ya. Ini Anin isinya tuh yang sini, dan di sini kita. Oke, come on.
I get up at 6 in the morning on weekdays.
Yeah, very good. I get up at 6 in the morning on weekdays. Yes, number 2.
I go to bed. I go to bed at I go to bed at midnight on weeknight.
Good. And then
I start work at 11:13 on night. At night.
Yes, at night. And then
I have lunch. Ini 3. Berarti
jam itu jam sayang. Aku makan siang jam 3.
I have lunch at 3 in the afternoon on Friday.
Yeah, great. And then number 5.
I stay up at 1 a.m. on weekends.
Yeah.
I have a little snack at night in the evening.
Good. Next.
I sleep afternoon on Sundays.
I sleep at.
I sleep at afternoon on
Emang ada
Sundays.
afternya? Itu nun aja.
Oh, nun aja. I sleep at noon on Sundays.
Oke, afternoon sama noon itu the meaning is the same ya. Siang. Oke. Nah, I would like to ask you this one, Anin. Please answer my question ya, yang ini. Oke. Anin, what days do you get up early or do you Yeah, what day do you get up early? Ayo, what days do you get up early? Early, bangun pagi. What days do you
Bangun
always
pagi.
get up early?
Kadang-kadang telat, kadang-kadang bangun di jam awal gitu.
What day? I ask you what day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Ngarang aja nggak
On
apa-apa.
weekends.
Oh, okay. Oh, you get up early on the weekend?
Yes.
Oh, okay, very good. And what days do you always get up late?
In every day and every day.
Oh, okay. So every day, you mean that weekday ya?
Yes.
Weekday itu Senin sampai Jumat. Okay, so
Yeah, weekday.
on the weekday, do you on weekday you always get up late, and on the weekend you
Yeah.
always get up early.
Yeah.
Oke, kebalik ya. So again, what are two things you do before 8 in the morning? What do you always do? Give me tell me about two activities that you always do before 8 a.m.
Oh, berarti ini ya, Nin, kalau jam 8 tuh udah ada di sekolah. Soalnya di sekolah tuh harus udah masuk sebelum jam 7.
Okay, so what do you do before 7?
I'm praying ikrar and doa. And then I pray duha.
Okay, very good. Very good, Anin. Number 3. What are 3 things you do on Saturday morning? Are you free on Saturday morning?
Ada ini les vokal.
Oh, les vokal. Okay. And then what are the 3 things you do on Saturday morning? Kalau hari Sabtu pagi ngapain aja? Please give me the 3 activities that you always do on Saturday morning.
Breakfast.
Okay, I have breakfast.
I have breakfast. I have take a bath, and then I have les vokal.
Yes, Anin. I have breakfast.
I have breakfast. I have take a bath, and then I have les vokal.
Okay, I have the vocal course. I have the vocal course.
I have the vocal course.
Okay, so what about number 4? What do you do only on Sunday? Kegiatan apa sih yang selalu Anin lakukan tapi cuma hari Minggu?
Di lemari Dede kan?
Ini bukan. Paling ngerjain tugas sih.
Okay, so I always
do homework
on
Sundays.
Okay, very good. Giran Sundays ada PR ya?
Yes, karena kalau Sabtu malas ngerjainnya.
Yeah, I know. Okay, Miss Anggi will read this one ya. Miss Anggi will read Teresia Glass, Karin Thomas, and Lamar Andrews. So, Anin, please pay attention only, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Teresia Glass, I don't have time to work, but I need a job because college is very expensive. I study art. I have class all day on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Tuesday and Thursday morning, I usually study on weekends. I don't have any experience, but I can learn quickly. That is the Theresia Glass, yeah. Now, Karen Thomas. My husband and I have a new baby. He makes a good salary, but we don't have saved very much money. We want to save some money to buy a house. I take care of the baby, so I need a job and I can do at home. I know how to type and I have a computer. Okay, Karen Thomas has finished. And then Lamar Andrews. I'm 16 now and I don't get an allowance from my parents anymore. I need to earn some money because I like to go out on the weekend with my friends. I go to school every day from 9 to 3:30. My father owns a restaurant, so I know a little about restaurant work. Oke, Miss Ayu udah baca tiga-tiganya ya. So now I would like you to pay attention, Anin. I just want to make sure do you understand about this text or not? I would like you to pay give the check from the statement of number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oke, pilih ya yang mana ya. To save money. Who wants to work to save money? Teresa, Karen, or Lamar?
Ini Karen.
Yeah, very good, Karen. Okay, and then who wants to work to earn money for college, for education? Teresa, Karen, or Lamar?
No. Lamar.
Are you sure? Lamar get the money only for hang out for his friend during the weekend.
Teresa.
Okay, good, Teresa. Okay, and who wants to work and then also earn some money only for going out with his friend during the weekend? Teresa, Karen, or Lamar?
Lamar.
Oke, of course. Dia mau kerja cari duit, soalnya dia suka hang out. Jadi duitnya dipakai buat hang out. Next, number 4. Who wants to earn money to buy a house? Teresa, Karen, or Lamar? Yes, Karen, very good. Wow, it's very good, Anin. You understand well about this text. Okay. Let's have the role play. It's about the introduce yourself. So, use your own name ya.
Kenapa, Miss?
Okay. Let's have the role play. Let's have the role play. And then please use your own name. Pakai nama sendiri.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
By the way, my name is Anggi.
I'm sorry. What's your name again?
Anggi.
I'm India. Are you? Tunggu bentar, Miss. Are you a student here?
Yes, of course. And how about you, Anindya? Are you also a student here?
Yes, I'm a student here.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
I'm from Kuningan.
Okay, where do you live now? Do you live in Kuningan?
No, I live in Depok.
Okay, you live in Depok. Okay, good, Anin. Okay. Nah, let's have about the interview. Nah, Anin, you have to apa ya? You have to create a question. You have to make a question by using the answer here. Misalnya, kalau jawabannya itu my name is Keiko Kawakami. So, what is the answer? What is the question? Namaku
What?
Keiko Kawakami. Jadi, pertanyaannya apa?
What's your name?
Yeah, good. What's your name? Okay, very good, Anin. Number 2, we will start to number 2 ya. Number 2, come on. I'm from Osaka, Japan.
Where are you from?
Okay, very good. Yes, my class. Yes, my
Thank you.
classes are very interesting.
And where?
Is your class?
Oh yeah. What's your class?
Is your class interesting?
Huh?
Is your class interesting?
Oh. Apa tadi Miss Maaf?
Is your class interesting? Apakah kelas
Was
kamu
your
itu menyenangkan?
Was your class interesting?
Is, sayang, is. Is your class interesting?
Is your class interesting?
Yes, my class is very interesting. Okay, good. Next. My favorite class is English. So what is the question?
What's your favorite class?
Yes, my favorite class is English. Next. No, my teacher is an American.
Oh, berarti ini ngarang ya?
Berarti is. Bukan,
It's
guruku bukan.
teacher.
Is your teacher?
It's your teacher in Korea?
Enggak dong. Kan jawabannya enggak, guru aku bukan orang Amerika. Berarti pertanyaannya pasti gini. Guru kamu orang Amerika? Bukan orang
Oh, ya.
Amerika gitu kan. Ayo gimana?
It's your teacher an American?
Iya. No, my teacher is an American. Yeah, very good, Anin. You get the point. Next, my classmates are very nice. It's about opinion kan, jadi how?
How
are?
classmates? Huh?
How are?
Okay. How are very nice?
How are your classmates?
Oh iya. How are your classmates?
Yes, my classmates are very nice. Oke, kalau menanyakan opini pakai how ya. Oke, what about this one? My best friend is Maria. So what is the question?
What's your best friend?
Oke, what is your best friend apa who is your best friend?
Who is your best friend?
Oke, because kan person ya Maria. So who is your best friend? My best friend is Maria. Okay, I would like to ask you, Anin. Anin, what time? Oh, today ya, today ya.
Okay.
Ini ngarang aja nggak apa-apa. Ini ngarang aja nggak apa-apa. Anin, what time do you get up?
I get up in 7 o'clock.
In apa at?
Oh yeah, I get up at 7.
Okay. What do you do, Anin, after you get up? What do you do after you get up?
I am take a bath.
I
Take a bath.
Okay. Where do you go? Where do you go after you take a bath?
I go to school.
Okay. And then what do you do in the evening?
Evening itu berarti pagi ya?
Oh, itu morning. Evening is sore.
Oh, sore. Oke.
Hmm.
Dia mah tuh. Ya, makan aja makan.
That's wrong. Syahla iseng pasti.
Iya.
Okay. What do you do in the evening?
Apa ya?
I have a class. I have an English class.
I have an English class.
Okay, I have an English class. Good. And then, when do you go to bed today? What time do you go to bed today?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Every day? Do you always go to bed at 9?
8:30.
Oh, 8:30.
8:30.
Oh,
Ih,
okay.
apa tuh?
Okay, Anin. What do you always what do you study today at school?
I study PAI, and then bahasa Indonesia, Al-Quran, and then IPA, itu kuis IPA, kuis ya hari ini. And then IPS, and then yang terakhir math.
Oke. Oh iya, kuis ya.
Yes.
What is your favorite subject at school? I mean today, kan you told me that today you learn pendidikan agama Islam, Al-Quran, and then bahasa Indonesia, right?
Yes.
And then matematik. Nah,
IPA.
IPA. What is your favorite subject for today?
PAI and Al-Quran.
Okay. PAI and Al-Quran. Okay. Now, Anin, look at this one. I want you to match. Match itu apa ya? Mencocokkan. I would like you to match. Di sini ada ini ya. The profession. Bisa lihat di gambar. Salesperson sales yang menjual barang. Who always sell the clothes. Chef, koki. Flight attendant is pramugari or pramugara. Carpenter itu pekerja bangunan. Resepsionis is resepsionis. Nurse itu adalah perawat. Oke, contohnya kayak gini, Anin. Number 1 is the example. A salesperson, dia kerjanya ngapain? Salesperson pasti menjual dong. Salesperson,
yes.
Always, pakai always ya. Salesperson always sell the clothes in department store. Bisa nggak mencocokkan seperti ini? For all jobs. Can you?
Inshallah.
Okay. We start to number 2, chef. A chef always.
A chef always cooks food in a restaurant.
Okay, very good. A chef always cooks food in the restaurant. What about flight attendant? Flight attendants always.
Flight attendants itu tadi apa, Miss Nau?
Pramugari or pramugara.
Okay. Flight attendants Taruh.
Always.
Always. Cars or patents?
Cares for the patients. Cares for the patients.
Yes.
Merawat pasien.
Serve for passengers.
Serves passengers. Melayani passengers. Passengers ini artinya adalah penumpang. Oke. Yang ini pasien yang kamu bilang tadi pasien, it's patient.
Yeah.
Pasien.
Patients, yes.
Cares itu merawat ya. Oke, very good. Udah, flight attendance is finished. And what about a carpenter? Carpenter always.
Carpenter always builds house.
Build houses, membangun rumah.
Build house.
Build, saya yang bacanya build. Build houses.
Build houses. For a construction company.
Yes, a carpenter always builds houses for a construction company. Okay, repeat after me, Miss Anggi. Construction, construction.
Construction.
Company.
Company.
Construction company.
Construction company.
Yes, very good. Next, receptionist. Receptionist always.
Receptionist always answer the phone in an office.
Yes, very good. The last one, a nurse.
A nurse always care for
Care.
patient.
Kalau care itu mobil.
Yeah.
Cares, merawat.
Cares for patients in a hospital.
Yes, a nurse cares for patients in a hospital. Okay, yes. That is very good, Anin, for today. So, thank you very much for today, ya.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, then we will meet again on Thursday.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Anin. Have a nice dream, have a nice sleep, and assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.